Hey, it's Lance with Aspen Mountain Plumbing. I'm so excited to introduce you to what we call our leasing program. What does this mean? Well, it's so hard to come up with the money up front sometimes for an installation of a brand new water heater. Usually these take place in the worst time. You have that failure in the worst time. We understand that here at Aspen Mountain Plumbing, and with hard times of the economy right now, we want to be able to help you as the customer. So how does this work? Well, for a small fee, you pay for the installation of the water heater, and then for a small monthly fee, you pay for that water heater and you lease it off of Aspen Mountain Plumbing. What does that mean? That means we own the problem. We own the water heater. So anything that takes place with that water heater, you just give us a call. You never have to worry about it. It's worry-free. By calling us, we take care of your water heater, and we do a yearly inspection on that water heater. We do a yearly flush of that water heater, and we got a working relationship with the manufacturer to where we can help you out in doing this. For more information, ask your technician about our leasing program today. Thank you for choosing Aspen Mountain Plumbing.